Welcome to the lush, verdant world of green, where health and harmony meet your plate. This week, your meals will look like they've been plucked straight from a garden, or a forest, if you're feeling adventurous. Beyond just eating greens, you'll be nourishing your heart chakra, Anahata, the center of love, compassion, and balance. Why green? Green is the color of life, renewal, and growth. In the chakra system, green aligns with the heart chakra, located in the center of your chest. This chakra governs love, compassion, and emotional balance. When you eat green foods, you're not just feeding your body. You're opening your heart and fostering harmony in your relationships, with others and yourself. Go green for the environment and your body. So make sure you get those leafy greens inside you, and while you're at it, have a blast. But sharing your recipes in the comment below for all those to try your favorite greens, and remember to subscribe for our next color challenge. Rules of the game. 1. Only green foods. If it's not green, it's not on the menu. 2. Go natural. No artificial green dyes allowed. Keep it real. 3. Get inventive. Think beyond salads, because you can only eat so much lettuce before you lose your mind. 4. Stay vibrant. This week is about rejuvenation and joy, not deprivation. What can you eat? Green foods are everywhere if you're willing to explore. Here's how to create a green feast. Breakfast: matcha green tea pancakes with kiwi slices. Avocado toast on spinach-infused bread. Chul, a green smoothie packed with kale, spinach, green apple, and cucumber. Lunch: zucchini noodles with pesto sauce. A hearty green lentil and split pea soup. Just salad? Sure, but make it exciting with green peppers, edamame, and broccoli florets. Dinner: grilled asparagus with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of green herbs. Green curry with spinach, green beans, and zucchini. Stuffed green bell peppers with herbed quinoa and parsley. Snacks and drinks: roasted kale chips or sugar snap peas. Green grapes or honeydew melon slices. And cucumber-infused water or a matcha latte. Challenges to watch for: by day 4, you might find yourself envying the rainbow. But remember, this is not just about the food. It's a journey to open your heart chakra and bring love and compassion into your life. And let's face it, green just feels healthy, doesn't it? The chakra connection. Green foods directly fuel your heart chakra, helping you cultivate self-love and acceptance. Foster harmonious relationships. Balance emotions and find inner peace. When your heart chakra is aligned, life feels more connected, joyful, and fulfilling. Eating green can help you radiate love from the inside out. What's your green creation? Now it's time for your input. What's the most creative green dish you can imagine? Can you go a week without craving non-green foods? Share your ideas, and let's make this the freshest, most love-filled challenge yet. Next up, yellow, the color of sunshine, confidence, and your solar plexus chakra. Get ready to shine.